Greetings. In this video, I want to tell you about a product that I use to help get rid of nerve pain in my fingers and my hands and to my feet throughout my body. And this product is called Nutritional Yeast. And this particular company that makes it's called Sarah Foods, but I believe Bob's Red Mill also makes it. I know Dr. Berg here on YouTube makes it and sells it as well. I got this particular bag. It's a 24-ounce bag on Amazon for about 38 bucks. And I've ordered like 10 times, and I've been using it for several months now. It seems like it's helping me with my neuropathy, and that's what Dr. Berg here on YouTube recommends. Nutritional yeast, as long and with benfotiamine as well. Benfotiamine supplements is good for your nerve, like if you are suffering from neuropathy, to help heal it. And it does heal slow, but it does heal if you stop the problem to begin with. Along with intermittent fasting, and keto also helps with neuropathy as well. But I've noticed since taking nutritional yeast that my anxiety has gone down a lot. I don't feel as nervous, and I feel like if I have like a panic attack coming, or if I'm starting to feel very nervous about something, if I take a few spoonfuls of it, I notice I start feeling a lot better. You can use nutritional yeast, and it tastes good. It's like a cheesy kind of taste, and I know different brands will have different textures. Sarah Foods, which I love, it's like more of like a powder. I'll put it on boiled eggs. I'll put it on salads. Heck, I'll even put it on pizza and Italian food, even though I know I shouldn't be eating a lot of that stuff. But you can put it pretty much on anything. And sometimes I'll just eat nutritional yeast as a snack. And so what I'll do is I'll just literally just get me about 2 or 3 tablespoons of it and pour it like in a little glass. And like I said, it's like a powder form. And I'll just drink it up. Got like a crunchy, cheesy taste. And it tastes good. You want to put it on something, or definitely have water ready to drink, because it's very, very dry. But the health benefits of nutritional yeast, the reason it helps with nerves is it's chocked full of vitamin Bs. So it's got like B12, B1, several other different B vitamins, thiamine, niacin. And this is what helps with like the role of carbohydrates to provide, basically the main role of carbohydrates is to provide energy for the body, especially the brain and the nervous system. And that's what vitamin B1 does. Thiamine, which is also a B1 vitamin, plays a role in muscle contraction and the conduction of nerve signals. So you can understand why that would help with your nerve issues. And of course your hands and your feet are the furthest part away from your brain, and that's why we start getting issues with our fingers when we start getting type 2 or later in our years. So this particular one, I'll tell you what it has. It has vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium, niacin, all the B vitamins, phosphorus, zinc. It's very low in sodium, so that's really important, especially if you have high blood pressure. If you want to supplement for or a substitute for salt, nutritional yeast is a good supplement. And one reason I like it, because I'm not a big fan of gluten. I know I'm kind of gluten intolerant. Like, I'll get really bad digestion issues when I eat anything that's got corn or wheat or pasta or anything like that. So the good thing about nutritional yeast is it's gluten-free. It's gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, non-toxic, low sodium, dairy-free, whole foods, and non-synthetic. So definitely try this out, or try one of the other nutritional yeast products that's out there. I highly recommend it. Like, if you're someone like me that gets a lot of anxiety issues, and you have issues with your fingers, I've noticed that I'm having less episodes where my hands fall asleep. and I noticed that I have a lot more strength in my fingers than I did before. So let me know what you think, and put in the comment section if you've tried it yet, and I do appreciate it. You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have it. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.